In this video, we are going to understand the trick to remember the tables from 1 to 1000. Other than that, we will understand how to solve complex multiplication. Hello my awesome students, welcome to Akshar Vidyalaya. I am Nana and I make videos related to short tricks of the mathematics. So let's start our topic, which is how to remember the tables from 1 to 1000. Okay, so actually I can tell you that this is not a trick. This is the method of doing multiplication which you have learned in your class 9th mathematics, right? Suppose you have to do multiplication of 105 by 3. You have to remember the table of 105 by 105, right? So what you have done in your class 9th, that you divide 105 into two parts, 105, and then do its multiplication by 3, right? So what now we can do, that 100 into 3, it will be 300, plus 5 into 3, it will be 15. So my answer will be equal to 315. Okay, so you can do it quickly, that you can reduce your number to the nearest multiple of 10, because by reducing to the nearest multiple of 10 your calculation becomes a little bit easier, right? So if suppose you have to do multiplication of 223 by 6 in your exam, so what you will do, you will break your number into two parts, 220 and 3, and let's multiply 220 by 6 and let's multiply 3 by 6 also. So what you will get, you will get 1320 plus 18, so your answer will be 1338, right? So this is the method which you have learned in your class 9th. Let's take some other example, that suppose you have to do multiplication of 223 with 226. This trick you can solve your two problems, that you can remember the tables, also you can do the bigger multiplications also. Okay, so what you can do, you can reduce it to 220 plus 3, right? And then you can reduce it to 220 plus 6. Okay, and there is a formula in the class 9th, that if there is plus a into x plus b, so what will be the answer? X square plus a plus b into x plus a b, right? So how you can solve it, that x square means 220 into 220, 220 square, plus a is my 3 and b is my 6, so it will be 3 plus 6 into x, and x is what? In this case x is my 220 plus ab is what? 3 into 6, it will be 18, right? So after doing this multiplication, you will get what? You will get 48400 plus 3 plus 6 will be 9, and you can do simply the multiplication of 9 by 220, so you will get what? You will get 1980 plus 18, so my answer will be equal to what? My answer will be equal to, this will become 1998, and if I am going to do this simple addition, I will get my answer as 50398. Okay, if you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video with some more tricks of the Vedic maths. Till then, take care.